Boom. Es geht wieder weiter. Wir sind unterwegs mit Michael, der das letzte Mal Simeon verprügelt hat. Hallo. deswegen bin ich nicht da. Oh, warte. Und zwar haben wir hier irgendeine, naja, nicht Mission. Legalize Weed.
Straight to heaven. That this state makes illegal. Yeah, this is what I'm talking.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck about reefer.
They rigged the vote. I saw the ballots. It's a lie.
It's democracy at work, amigo.
Democracy can suck my fatty. Democracy only works when it lets intelligent people do what they want. This is tyranny by morons.
Yeah, well, I got things to take care of in a little place called reality.
You want a drag?
Nah, I'm not a drug guy.
This isn't bushweed. This is mana. I grow it myself. No paranoia, no weirdness. A passport to nirvana.
Fuck, give me it.
Yeah, here, you'll hardly feel it. Yeah, I smoke all day and I'm fine. It's a pure, mellow high. But I do get concerned about the monsters. Yeah. I mean,
I'm sure they're nothing serious.
Ey, ist so ein Idiot, wirklich.
I never let them get too near.
Oh. Erledige die Aliens. What the hell? Was geht denn jetzt ab? Das macht so keinen Sinn, Leute. Was ist denn das jetzt für ein Trip? Der Kollege so, ja, ich spüre nix. Alles okay. Andererseits die Aliens, die sind ein bisschen komisch. Dude, Alter, ey, Kollegen, so nicht. Oh! Da! So nicht! Drücke schnell AD. Okay. Haben wir erfolgreich gemacht. Aber wetten, das war schon wieder Fail jetzt. Also dafür kriegen wir kein Gold. Ich hab gewusst, der eine Typ von hinten, der wird nerven. Die Grässe, die Frage, woher haben wir die Waffe?
The liquor companies push for continued prohibition, which is complete insanity. So I take it I can count on your support.
The fuck just happened?
What are you talking about? We discussed globalization, the state.
Stay the fuck away from me.
What? But it's a good cause.
Nope. Nope, I'm out. Absolut random shit, aber vielen Dank. Nebenbei nur den Schieß-Skill verbessert. So lobe ich mir das. Wunderbar. Und jetzt zum Vergnügen. Tja. Oh, ich will die Karre. Wait. Was ist jetzt los? Oh, Ereignis. Random Event. Ja. So, Ideen jetzt umnieten oder wie ist es? Ja, scheint so. Rot und blaue Punkte zeigen dir an. wo es Probleme gibt in San Andreas. Alles klar, vielen Dank. Ach, wait. Das war's noch nicht? Den Hit habe ich gerade sowas von taken müssen. Hä? Der hat 2 Schüsse ausgehalten? Wie denn das? Ich hab gemeint, ich muss einfach nur den Gegenstand zurückbringen, aber wahrscheinlich ist der Gegenstand nicht mal das Motorradl. Der hat wahrscheinlich nur der armen Dame die Handtasche geklaut. Ja klar, bitte. Einige zufällige Ereignisse belohnen den Spieler mit Wertverbesserungen oder Geld. Ja, das ist doch herzallerliebst. Dann halten wir natürlich weiterhin Ausschau. Zwischensequenz. Ah, das ist Michaels Unterschlupf. Hier kannst du Fahrzeuge speichern, indem du sie in die Garage packst. Ja, Schlafen im Bett, Spielstand speichern. Ist jetzt genau das gleiche wie bei Franklin, nur eben wesentlich protziger. Kleiderschrank, ja, okay. Übertreib. Ja, die Waffe packen wir weg hier, ne? Es gibt sicher irgendeine Aufgabe jetzt da drin. Vater und Sohn. Ah. Stressig. Ja. Einzig richtige Beschäftigung. Wenn die Girls drin Stress machen. Einfach an den Pool. Mit Whisky. Und ein bisschen Smoke. Hey, Franklin.
What do you want?
Man, I come by for that drink you offered, that's all.
I wasn't really serious about that.
What?
Here, whatever. Sit. You're not gonna rob me again.
Man, I never robbed you. That was just a repossession.
Okay. You call it whatever you want to call it. I really don't care. What can I do for you?
Shit, I just came by to see if there's something I can help you with. I see you doing well for yourself.
Look, I'm retired.
Ain't you a bit young for the pipe, slippers, and staring at a fucking sunset?
You know, I've been in this game for a lot of years, and I got out alive. That makes me the right age. You look like a good kid, but if you want my advice, give this shit up. You work hard, screw over everybody that you love, hurt, rob, kill indiscriminately, and maybe, just maybe if you're lucky, you become a 3-bit gangster. It's bullshit. Go to college. Then you're gonna rip people off and get paid for it. It's called capitalism.
So what I saw the other day was like when a corpse briefly reanimates itself and terrorizes everyone, right?
What you saw the other day was a guy dealing with pests.
I guess I never saw myself as just a fucking pest.
Well, and today's lesson's all about humility. Tomorrow we'll try a training montage.
A training what?
Nothing. I was just lost in an 80s movie fantasy.
Yeah, I can see you spend a lot of time there.
Yeah, as much as I can.
So that's why you here in Vinewood then, right?
Maybe I'm here because I'm just an idiot who thinks that imported palm trees are a good substitute for not really knowing what the fuck you're doing on this earth.
Jesus, man. You a good time, you know that?
I tell you what. Least I can do is buy you that beer. There's a little
Yeah.
bar I like. It's not too far from here.
Das ist doch mal ein Wort.
All right, man. I'm following you.
Let's go.
We're taking my wife's car.
Jimmy.
Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink.
Dad, shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What?
What?
The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! Alright, I'm coming. For my boat.
I'm coming
Alrighty.
for my boat.
Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
Ah,
I'll help you out.
holy shit, Mann. Direkt wieder in Stress rein.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Michael ist jetzt sowas wie Franklins Mentor. Wirkt zumindest so.
Oh,
Äh,
there it is. That's my boat.
that's your boat!
Fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
Let's go! Bring Franklin nah an die Yacht. Yo, chills!
Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party. More like a falling in traffic party.
Alter.
Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover it.
Komm. Ah, Bro, was ist denn das? Okay. Yes, er ist drauf. Wow. Kinocam. Boom.
The engine. Fuck. If you hurt my boy or my boat,
Oh, er schießt in den Dieb.
I just don't
What?
want you to kill me, man. I shoot this motherfucker. Hey, you asshole.
Oh. Holy shit. Im Fahren. Oh, da können wir direkt den schützen.
Jimmy,
Oh.
watch out for the boat.
Haha.
Fuck. Hold on. Too close.
Na, das Auto war am Weg. Boom.
Nah, fuck you.
Gotcha.
Seaworthy.
Zack, wieder Minusgegner.
Ah,
Yo, Franklin, you good? Crazy Typ. Schon dabei. Okay. Drehen wir mal um, oder?
Now that doesn't sound good.
my fucking boat.
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son.
Hey,
Wow. Wenigstens hast du einen Sohn. Ja, toll. Der Sohn, der gerade mein Boot verhökert hat. Für wahrscheinlich nix. Danke.
It's just a thing.
Die Karre raucht da noch ab.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
no, it's not that. It's
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
by selling my boat to some gangbangers.
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you
Ja.
do is daydream or get angry.
Na, es ist wirklich blöd, wenn man das so hinstellt.
Great. Leave me with the home invader.
Hey, this the place up here.
Der Home Invader.
His name Hal. He gonna look after it.
Der Home Invader kriegt wesentlich mehr hier als
Yeah, I
du.
got this.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good though, man. You gonna get your head right, all right?
All right. Listen, thanks for today. Appreciate it.
Taxis.
Stop back out
Okay.
there, we'll talk.
You see?
Taxis mit E. Oh, cool.
Get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Er holt sie sogar direkt uns.
And let's trick this whip, homie.
Willkommen bei Los Santos Customs. Ja, mal schauen, wie oft ich in Customs sehen werde. In GTA Online war ich durchaus oft. Reparieren, ich zahle das safe nix und wieder raus.
Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or we could just like shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on.
Ah, er versucht einen Freund in Franklin zu finden, aber
Yeah, I got your number, shit. I need it, man. But hey, you know what? Man, go easy on your pops, dog. All right?
All right, church.
Exactly, man.
ja.
My brother from another mother. I mean, I hope so, because my mom was kind of a skank back in the
Whatever, homie.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Echt der unangenehme Typ. Jimmy ist unangenehm. Ah ja, stimmt. Wie schaut's denn aus? Natürlich. 100%. Yeah. Machen wir direkt weiter mit Franklin. Mare. Alter, schon gesehen, was dieser Weltraumaffen-Straßenkünstler in der ganzen Stadt veranstaltet hat? Abgefahrenes Zeug, Mann. Echt heftiges Zeug. Ich hab keine Ahnung, was du willst. Oh, Mare.
What's up, homie?
Hey, what's up?
Chop got to stay around your crib for a while, homie. That's cool.
Yeah, man, it's cool. Shit's the best place for him anyway.
Like it ain't nobody out there gunning for your black ass. Bullshit, nigga. Just take care of it, man, alright?
Alright, I got you.
Ja, okay. Job kommt zu Besuch. Wunderbar. Wir passen genau auf. Aber um den kümmern wir uns später, weil den haben wir jetzt hier nur irgendeinen Auftrag. Irgendwas zu tun. Was ist denn hier los? Oh, da ist der Typ. Hallo? Du scheiß Paparazzi!
Hey, whoa, back off there, cowboy. I know my constitutional rights. Anyway, I know you're coming here to suck cock, so it's all right.
What the fuck you talking about?
Wow.
What?
Look, I saw quarterback blues, man. And, you know, some of those older records of yours, even they sound a little bit closeted. I'm just saying.
What? A black
Junge, was mit ihm falsch?
Would you think he Clay PG sellout? You bitch ass punk motherfucker.
Oh, shit, man. Oh, hey, I'm sorry.
Oh, hey.
I didn't have my contacts in, you know? I mean, I love black people. Yeah, you know, like I love gangsters. I love, like, gangster rap. Yo, sup?
Man, who gives a fuck if he's gay or not, man? The man is not married. It's his business. Leave motherfuckers alone.
Well, look, I'm just saying that it's the
Echte Worte für Franklin.
I can't stand. You know, I mean, of celebrities. Right? I mean, PG, right? He says he's a killer and a murderer and all that great stuff. And then, what, he loves his mother and likes show tunes. I mean, really, what kind of message is that sending our kids? You know what I'm saying? The guy's a
Junge, was ist sein Problem eigentlich?
Here, man.
Yeah, because, you know why? Because they all think they're gods, right? Well, fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! They're not magic! No, they're no better than me. They're no better than me.
Doch, in dem Fall sind die besser als
Oh
du.
my god, it's Miranda! Miranda, I love you, Miranda! Come on!
What the fuck? Hä, was jetzt?
Miranda fucking Cowan!
Fuck them. Miranda!
No, leave me out your shit, man.
Oh, no, we can make boku bucks here, man! We get one picture of her hairy legs or her aging muff, and we are in the money, man! In the money, bro! Come on! Come on, man! Come on!
Fuck is wrong with me?
Oh, nee, echt?
Let's go! You drive, I'll get the shot!
Jo, wirklich? Wir machen es?
Miranda Cowan, man!
Alter.
Go! Get us right up alongside that limo!
Na, shit, echt jetzt?
Go! Invade that bitch's privacy, man!
Invade that bitch's privacy! Hallo!
You cow!
Wuhu!
Fans have a right to know everything! I don't believe it! She's slamming a speedball in there, man! This is journalistic gold!
Was?
It's in the public interest! You home wreck!
Ey, ich habe jetzt nicht ganz verstanden, was die macht. Was macht die da drin?
Now make my day! Man, they don't call her the silicone slattern for nothing! She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel! God, I love her!
Oh, man,
Die Silikonschlampe.
no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
Hey.
That close? Well done on the rehab. Not. Oh, you're human. You bitch.
Komm. Nur aber Fotos, let's go. Aber wie geht er denn schneller sein, Junge? Du bist zu fett.
You Beverly, this one's mine.
Jo,
Bottom feeder Madison.
gegnerisches Team, wie dumm.
Where's your dignity, man? Forget Miranda. We can't let him steal my exclusive. Get alongside him. I'll knock the weasel off.
What?
Stay on that.
Ah, what true? Wir sind der Franklin. Wir haben die Fähigkeit. Ah. War jetzt nicht so geplant, aber nehmen wir.
Looks like you wrecked your camera, Madison. Okay, buddy, let's get out
Hoppla.
of here. I'm already late for another stakeout.
All right, homie. It's
Ganz
been an
komische
experience,
Sache.
dawg. Look, keep on making the world a better place. You hear me?
Yeah, the public needs to know. The fans deserve it.
Sehen wir jetzt die Fotos?
Yeah, not if the question is how low is Miranda Cowan's muff hanging or if she getting banged out by some second-rate director.
They need to know everything, from crow's feet to camel toes. Hey. Come by the manor next week.
Hey, ich weiß nicht, was an Krähenfüßen problematisch sein soll.
Oh, I'm waiting for you, homie.
Daran erkennt man echt Lachen, das finde ich voll schön. Neuer Kontakt. Beverly, keine Ahnung, wird diesen Typen jemals wieder brauchen. Voll erwischt. Was ist denn voll erwischt? Was ist denn voll erwischt? Ja, scheiße. Ja, dann werde ich das Offcam nachholen. Signore, erstmal nur. Okay, da gehen wir noch kurz rum. Ey, yo. Warte. Du warst wie ein Sohn für mich. Mhm. Klar, Mann. Mhm. Na, ich glaube, Alex sagt, you are fucked. Jetzt sind wir ja jetzt mit uns stressen, Wui. Dann hört's aber komplett auf. Hey, servus. Haha. Gut, dann schauen wir mal, wie es beim nächsten Mal weitergeht.